Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will cover the basic to advanced of support and resistance trading strategy on how to identify a major support and resistance levels for high profitable win. Support and resistance level is an area where buyers and sellers are interested to buy on a bullish trend while sellers want to sell on a bearish trend. So I'm going to cover this strategy with a trading confirmation, which is break of structure, fair value gap, and order block. If this video is kind of video you would like to watch, kindly subscribe, like, and comment. So let's get started. We have two patterns right here, which is bullish trend pattern and bearish trend pattern. On a bearish trend pattern, we want to sell, and on a bullish trend pattern, we want to buy. So first thing we need to do is to identify the structure of the trend that we want to trade. So, and also I'm going to be explaining on how to get your confirmation with a fair value gap and order block. Right here on a bearish trend, the market break is support level right here. The market break this support level. As a trader, you have to know the basic of a support and resistance level. You have to know how to identify a support and resistance level. Right here, the market break a support level. Right here, the market break a support level, which identify that we are on a bearish trend. So after we have get a break of structure, this is our break of structure. Once a market break a support or resistance level, that's create our break of structure. So the market now retest back, the market retest right here. So our confirmation for the market to continue on a downtrend is to find your fair value gap and order block. Right here, you are going to find something. As a trader, you need to understand what is order block and what is fair value gap. If you don't know what is fair value gap means and what order block means, I've explained that in my previous video. Check on my channel to find a fair value gap and order block strategy. So I explain everything in details. So after you have ordered, you have know your order block right here, and you find your fair value gap. So after finding your fair value gap, you are going to enter the market with your order block. With your order block right here, and put your stop loss above the resistance level, and your take profit will be at the last resistance level like this. So that's our first sample. Let's use this second trend as another sample. So the market break another support level right here. The market break another support level right here. We have another resistance level right here. We have another resistance level right here. So what are we looking for right now is we have get our break of structure. The next thing is to get our fair value gap and order block. The next thing is to go here and identify your order block and your fair value gap for order confirmation. On my previous video, I explained about how you can trade a major and minor trend. So you can go to my channel to check my videos about how I explain how you can trade a major trend how you can trade a minor trend in a major trend, so that what you are going to risk is going to be very low capital amount, so to what you are going to get in return. So right here, after you have identified your order block and fair value gap, the next thing is that you should wait for the market to reverse back and enter the order block. After the market have entered your order block, the next thing is to place your trade. Set your stop loss above the resistance level, and your take profit at the last support level. Your take profit at this last support level. So everything that happens inside here is a minor trend. Maybe you know how to use a higher time frame and lower time frame confirmation. You can possibly use a 4 hours and 15 minutes time frame for this strategy, and also you can use 1 minute to 5 minutes for this trading strategy. So that's it for on a bearish trend. Let's go on a bullish trend. So we all know that the market break the resistance level right here. The market break the resistance level right here. Breaking this resistance level is a sign of break of structure. So we know where the market is going now. So what is your confirmation right here? Your confirmation right here is your fair value gap and order block. So you have to identify your fair value gap. You have to backtest this strategy. Before you start funding and using this strategy. No strategy is 100%, but this strategy, if you can apply higher time frame and lower time frame to this strategy. I have a previous video where I explain about the higher time frame and the lower time frame. So go on my channel and check out the video. Right here, after you have identified your fair value gap, should be this is your fair value gap. This red will be your fair value gap. This red will be our fair value gap. You have to identify your fair value gap before your order block. After identify your fair value gap before your order block, then place your buy trade and put your stop loss at the support level and your take profit at the last resistance levels. At the last resistance level, this is our support level. So after market reverse back, to fill the market have to fill the fair value gap. The market have to reverse back and fill the fair value gap. After the market fill the fair value gap, the market will start going up again, and the market break another structure right here, which identify our break of structure. We have another resistance level right here, and this turn to a valid support level. This place turn to a valid support level. After we have another support level right here, so we have to find our fair value gap again, and our order block. We have to find our fair value gap and order block. So we have to wait for the market to fill the fair value gap, touch our order block, and place our buy market on a bearish trend like this. So then you set your you place a trade here, set your stop loss below the support level and resist the last resistance level, and put our take profit right here. So this is how you can trade support and resistance trading strategy. And if you can apply a higher time frame and lower time frame confirmation, this strategy work effectively and it's high profitable win based on your account size, how much you are risking per trade. So backtest this strategy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment for more trading tips like this. Happy trade.